Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Mallory. Go ahead, subscribe. You know what to do. In today's video, we will be reviewing the new Essence mini palettes. We have the Protect Your Energy and the Trust Your Intuition. I'm going to break these up into two videos. So in this video, we're just going to do the Trust Your Intuition. But y'all, the Protect Your Energy is going to follow right after. So have no fear. We'll be protecting energy here. Bars. Bars. She's a rapper. So yeah, let's get right into the Trust Your Intuition palette. These minis are everything. That is so cute to me. Look at the color story on this one. I love how it opens like a little book. It is so cute to me. On the packaging, it says Trust Your Intuition mini eyeshadow palette. It says good things are coming and I'm your superpower. Love your intuition. Which you guys know, if you've seen Storytime Saturday, I believe in intuition 100,000%. Your gut's telling you something, better listen, because why would you lie to you? So the shade names, very cute. We have Decision, Guidance, Feeling, Instinct, and Imagination. Imagination is a weird one. I'm not sure why they would put that together, but I mean, it makes for cool packaging, I guess. I don't know, but let's go ahead and dive right into it. Okay, so for the transition shade, I'm going to use this one right here. Obviously, this is like the only one. All of these shades over here are shimmers, which is kind of annoying in a way. Okay, so we're gonna start in the crease with this shade and just see what we get. So far so good on this shade. It's definitely looking exactly like it does in the pan. All we're getting is a transition shade out of this, so I wasn't expecting much to begin with. So yeah, so far so good. I'm pretty sure for this eyeshadow look, we're definitely gonna do a halo eye. I feel like that's the best thing that we can do with the shades that we have. So let's just see. This transition shade is definitely like my exact skin tone though. Let's move right along. We're gonna go into this green shade right here. So the brush I'm gonna use is a Moda Pro BMX 466 shade brush. It's a small like blending brush. This green, hello gorgeous. It's definitely giving me money green, forest green, if you will. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know why I chose to get a shade brush instead of like a, I don't know, some sort of lid brush for that, but I mean, it went on pretty well. Now I am switching brushes. This is a Morphe brush, just like a flat shadow brush. I feel like this will definitely give us more of that green pigment to bring upwards, because I want it to be soft lines around, like blended out, but I don't want it to be like an ashy looking green. So I definitely want to keep some of this pigment on there. I'm just taking this brush. It doesn't really have much on it. We're just going to try to blend upwards a little bit, just so it's not such a harsh line right there. Okay, so I'm starting to see some patchiness with this green. I don't actually love that, but it's not a lot. It's just like, it's enough to where I can see it, but it's not terrible. Okay, so yeah, I just needed some more product. So that's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat that on the other side. This is actually a lot prettier than I was expecting it to be, this green. I don't know what I was thinking that it would be, because it looks very true to the pan, but it's, I don't know, I feel like it's been a while since we've done a green eyeshadow look and I'm living for it. This is actually gorgeous. Okay, so again, I'm starting to see that patchiness. So far that is my only complaint, is that this green is definitely giving patchy. It's definitely not, it's not just gliding on. Oh my gosh, did I bring that over too far? I think I did. It's definitely not just gliding on you. Like, you have to pack the shade in there, which isn't like the worst thing, I guess, but it still needs to be said that it is pretty patchy. I wish I would have counted how many times you have to dip to get, well, we're definitely on 3. I wish I would have counted how many times from the start it would take to get like full coverage instead of this patchy stuff. Okay, so we're definitely on dip number 4. Dip number 4. And I still have to blend. Try to blend it upwards. Okay, so we're definitely not blending this, because what the hell? Oh my god, what just happened? I wish you guys could see it up close. No ma'am. I'm getting kind of sad to say that I don't really see this blending out much more than what it is. Oh no, Essence. We're gonna try the lid shades now and just see what it'll do. How can we salvage this look? This mint green right here is absolutely gorgeous. I think that I want to use that, but I also kind of I don't know. Let's do the minty green. This shade right here is called Instinct. We're gonna try this one. I think that this minty green will look. I'm gonna try my finger. Sometimes that works best when I'm doing this. I feel like this would look the best between those greens. Okay. Okay, so again, these are definitely buildable shades. Like, you have to go into them multiple times to get the pigment to be the way that you want it, because this side right here, it's like the green has already come off, the dark green. It's already come off. I wouldn't even call this blending, so I'm confused about why it's leaving us so soon. Why so soon? But the shade itself, it is very pretty. I just wish that we weren't having such issues with this green shade. So now let's go back in with the green and try to bring that pigment back. Some of it came back, but not all. So okay, let's go ahead back in. Let's go back in with the green, the mint green. Okay, so again, it doesn't look terrible, but I can see the patchiness, and I feel like that is very rude. It's very nasty, so nasty and so rude.
So nasty and so rude.
Now I'm going to just repeat the same on the other side. Hopefully all is well. Hopefully it all works out for the best. Ooh la la. Okay, so this side actually came out a lot better than the other. I feel like this must be something that I did. I was filming other videos earlier, so maybe it's the way that I based this side or something, because this side looks fine. And this is actually more of what the Essence makeup looks like usually to me, versus this side is just like a complete train wreck. So let's just chop it up to the fact that maybe I did something, because what is happening? Like, I'm like, don't have me talking up how great Essence Beauty is, and then you do this, because that looks terrible, but this side looks great. So yeah, let's just say it's a user error. It's me. It's a user error. For inner corner highlight, I'm thinking I want to keep it kind of cool toned, so let's go ahead and go into this shade right here. This one is called Feeling. I feel like that would pair well with what we have going on here. Put that a little under the brown. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of liner, not too much, just enough to make my eyes look a little bigger, as if she needs that, but yes I do. So I went ahead and added some lashes, and you guys, I don't really know how I feel about it yet. The look, it actually came out pretty good, and like I mentioned before, like this side looks pretty good and this side doesn't, so I'm assuming that it's something that I did that makes it like not look as good as it could. But yeah, I think we should hold judgment. Because if we base it on this side, yes girl, this palette is definitely worth it, but this side we're like, what happened here? Overall, the look came out pretty cute though. I feel like this is definitely something daytime wearable, but like if you want to do like a green moment, like you feel a little spicy, you know, because I feel like here lately makeup has gotten so boring, so blah, so brown. Come on, basic, boring. Let's get back into the color, and yeah, definitely a cute eye look for the daytime. So yeah, let's hold judgment. I'm not sure if we need it or not. It's very cheap though, so either way, I mean, you're really not missing out much. You probably spend more at Starbucks than you would on this palette, because it was very, very cheap. But as I mentioned before, if you're interested in the Protect Your Energy palette, this review will be up next. So keep an eye out for that one. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and have your bell notifications on so that you never miss a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you will see my face in the next one.